Good afternoon, this is Joy from Riancho, and here I'm to do Tina's challenge. She's Shabby Dabby Doo on YouTube, and she's been doing the challenge now for a number of weeks of 3 things in 30 minutes, and it's to do with the alphabet. Today we are on L, and L she's decided is for layering. So I'm going to layer this with bits that I've been inking up over the sometimes at night time. I haven't got many done, but I've got things inked here. I've got other little bits of pieces that I got here, and I'm going to make a strip because I was watching, who was I watching? The problem is I was watching so many, and I was watching a lady who did, I think it was G. Kerr. In fact, I'm sure now it was G. Kerr, and she did a few strips, excuse me, of layered pieces across here, then sewn it, and then she made some different things with it. So that's what I want to do. I want to layer it all across here. I want to sew down the middle, and then I want to make 2 things out of it. I want to make a little notebook like Tina, but a little bit more like the paper outpost. Pam, I think her name is there, and a little pocket as well. It's very difficult to do lots of different things, and I want to do it in the line to go with my Halloween stuff, my Alice in Wonderland, not Halloween so much as my book that I'm still doing here. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started, and I will start by laying this up and putting you onto time lapse so that we can do it all in 15. I'm going to put some papers together and staple it, and then make a little tiny notepad. Okay, I'm going to put you on time lapse again. I think it's not going to take very long, and the longest one will be Okay, let's see. You could have done. Actually on video and I wasn't speaking, so that was a bit silly, and I wanted to put something else on here. So anyway, I've got 4 minutes left. I don't know what I'm going to put on here. Got some stickers here. Maybe this green flower will go. There's another layer on top. That's quite nice, yeah. And then what else have I got? Purple, no. I have a red rose, look, for the roses that were just doing something here now. A red rose. This is a bit plain on the back here. Maybe I can put a bit of the Cheshire Cat on. Maybe not. Maybe spiderweb now. Oh, here, the Queen. This would be quite good, wouldn't it? So I can glue it underneath there and it'll just fit just perfectly. Good. Glue. So I think this will have to be in 2 parts by the look of it, because if I was just recording ordinary, I don't think my iCloud will let me upload 30 minutes. My YouTube channel has given me 30 minutes, okay, but I'm not sure that my iCloud will let me do that. I quite like that. I could put a bit more here, couldn't I? That might be quite nice as well, there, next to the paper clip. And I still got one. I'm still doing very well these last few times. I've got loads of time left, and I finished the 3 things. I've made a right mess of my table, but maybe I'll ink it up on the edges and even around the edges here a bit, or like that, triangles maybe, little ones. Okay, 1 minute still to go. Now this is to put your pen on your book. So I think I've got a pen here. Yes, I have. Okay, so I've got my favourite, actually, I've got my favourite pen here. Right, so you put your pen through here and you clip it onto your book, on your journal, like this, and you never lose your pen. Or if you don't want to do it on your cover page, you can put it here.